What is up guys, my name is Chase. Welcome back to a new unboxing video. Today we have a nice little package here that I'm going to be opening up. Let's open it. So this is a little package from this company called Totallee. In case you don't know, Totallee has kind of become popular in the iPhone community. I don't know if they're like the first ones, but I know they're like one of the more notable companies that make these basically extra slim cases for your iPhone. So this is my iPhone 10. I've been using it for over 2 years now. You know, since this is a very expensive device, I wanted to actually get a case. Usually I don't put cases on my iPhone because, you know, I like how it looks naked. You know, long story short, I ended up going with the leather iPhone 10 case. This is the one from Apple. I don't know how much they go for anymore. I love how the buttons feel, you know, they feel very great. To be honest, I think the buttons on the case actually feel better than the ones on the iPhone, but it's definitely been showing some wear now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, there's like definitely some scratches and like the leather is coming off. So I've been meaning to get a case for a while, and that's where Totallee came in. I really like the branding, by the way. I think it fits their like minimalist design. So as I said, I usually don't put a case on my iPhone, which is why I ended up going with this clear case. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of like these soft cases, but this is the only one that they had the clear version in, so I ended up going with it. Let's just try and throw my iPhone in it, why not? So we got it on just like that. Wow. This is a very thin case. It's just ridiculously thin, holy moly. Dude, this is like crazy thin. Like, I'm so used to using the Apple one, that's why, you know, and something I really like about the Apple one is that it has this little lip. It basically goes above the screen. This one, it literally like sits right at the screen. So if you put your iPhone down like that, it's basically all screen right there, man. And I don't know how I feel about that, you know. That's something I knew going into this case, but it almost makes me want to invest in a screen protector, which I usually never put on my iPhones. Again, I like my iPhones to be naked. But yeah, holy crap, that feels really thin. Okay, so yeah, the buttons I'm actually not really minding. I like how it feels. I didn't think I would like this soft material on the buttons, but they actually feel pretty decent. But yeah, there's our Totallee case. It is very thin, and like seriously, it feels like it's not even at the top of the phone, you know? Which kind of worries me a little bit because I do often put my phone flat like this. Maybe I'll give an update in like a week or something and we'll see how I'm liking this case. I do like the idea of having a very minimal case just because, you know, Apple puts a lot of time and effort into how they design the iPhone. I feel like you should be able to show it off. So, you know, clear cases like these I think are really cool. So with that being said, I did actually order another thing off of Totallee, so this is gonna be kind of like a bonus little unboxing. This is actually their car wireless phone charger. I really wanted to have a wireless phone charger for my car just because I go through those like lightning splitters because, you know, I like to have one lightning plugged into the charger in my car and the other lightning, you know, I use it to play my music on my car through the 3.5mm. So wireless charger is actually gonna solve that basically. There must be a cable in here, I guess. Do we have a cable? Nice. Alright. We have cable and it looks like instructions, which is gonna be handy. What is this? Oh wow, it's USB-C. That's actually really cool. I like that we're starting to see a lot more USB-C devices, but anyway, there it is. Yeah, it looks nice. It has this like glossy sort of charging pad. Now what's cool about this guy is that it will automatically clamp onto your phone. Whoa. Wow. There's actually motors in this thing, that's crazy. Oh, so you press these little guys on the side. There's these little like buttons on the side and they open and close. That is weird and crazy and cool. So we're gonna put our iPhone, it's charging. Is it gonna like, I think it's supposed to automatically clamp. There it is. Let me see. Oh, I'm so scared to do this now that I have no case on it. It is in there, so that's cool. Wow, and it is charging, so that's good. I'm actually really impressed. I honestly didn't think this would work as well as it is working. I'll definitely be doing a review video for this. Anyway, this was just supposed to be an unboxing, so I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these Totallee products. For now, my name is Chase, and I will see you again soon. Bye.